FitLara and welcome back to a brand new hip-hop dance choreography tutorial for beginners. You get access to the first part of the choreography you've just seen in the trailer before for free here on YouTube. If you want to learn the rest of the choreography, click the link in the video description down below and enjoy the 7 days free trial in my online studio. Now take on some comfortable clothes and shoes and let's start the dance party. Before we start with the first steps, a quick information for you. I tried to mirror all movements for you, so I hope you can easily follow. So let me show you the rhythm for the first steps, because we have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. So again, we have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. That's the rhythm for the first few steps. So let's start. We start with a jump on the left leg, and at the same time, we kick to the front with the right, like this. Boom. Now, find your balance, and then we switch over to the left side, and we bend the right leg. Boom. Like this. Got it? Then come back the same way. Hop. Again, stretch the leg, kick to the front, and then we switch, jump onto the right, hop, and switch over to the right, like this. So we have the rhythm, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. So we jump, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. That's the rhythm. But first, let's slow it down again. Jump onto the left leg, kick forward with the right, hop. Find your balance, and then just turn a little hip twist to the left. At the same time, you bend the right leg, and then come back, hop on over to the right, whoop, and switch over to the right side. Ha! Yes, that are the steps. So let's do it a little bit quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That are the counts. Again, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know it's a little bit challenging because we have to find and maintain the balance all the time. That's why I didn't choreograph the arms. So just use the arms to find your balance. So when we jump, just throw your arms, find your balance, then we twist over to the side, hop, hop, hop. So here you can add a little bit of your own spice, so a little bit of freestyle. Let's go one more time, and then let's add some more steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, quick, quick, halt. Last one. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Boom, ha, boom, boom, ha. Woo. Find your balance. Now we come back the same way, so stay on the right leg, kick forward with the left. But now, attention please, we kick to the back. Ha. Come back to the front, hop on over to the other leg, hop, switch, boom. Yes, it's the same rhythm, so we have again slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, but we kick to the front, to the back, front, switch, switch. Okay, one more time from here. We landed on the right leg on count number 4. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now, as I kick to the front, I jump to the back at the same time, like this. So it's just a progression, a variation of the step. So when you already feel comfortable with the move, just add a little jump to the back. So let me show you this one more time. So we're here on 4. So we have boom, jump, forward, jump, backwards, switch, switch. Now let's have a look at the arms. Just the arms. So we cross the arms. Doesn't matter right or left arm in front. Just make a strong, strong fist. 1, then open, and then we have a strong and sharp movement. Boom, 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 like this. Yes, again, cross, open, quick, quick, hold. Shoulders low, stretch your arms. Good, again, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Last one before we combine both. 7, 8, cross, open, boom, boom, ha. Good. Let's combine legs and arms. So we're here. We kick forward, cross. We open the arms, hop. Now lift the arms up, up, up. Again. 7, 8. Boom. Ha. Lift, lift, lift. Good. Hope you made it. I know arms and legs at the same time, not that easy sometimes. So let's repeat this and then put both parts together to keep the fluidity. So from here, we have 7, 8, forward, backward, lift, lift, lift. Yes, okay. From the very beginning, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Slowly, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. One more time, a little bit faster, before we add some beats, some cool music. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Woo! Hope you made it. So let's turn on some music. We have some time at the beginning to add some freestyle. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again. One more 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Woo! Love the music. Okay, guys, how's it going? Let's do it one more time, right? Come on, give it one more try. Find the rhythm, get the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Jump, switch, boom, boom, ha, ha, ha. Lift, lift, lift. Woo! Yes. We ended like this. So weight is on the right, left leg is stretched out. Now we gonna go for some salsa steps. But don't worry, no booty shaking. We do a little hip hop salsa variation. So let's start with the feet. So we have 1, 2, 3, and close. So we start with putting the weight on the left leg, forward, backwards, then heel touch, and close, like this. Again, 7, 8, forward, backwards, heel, and close. 7, 8, forward, backward, heel, and close. 7, 8, last one, and heel, and close. Good. Now, when you feel comfortable with this, let's progress. We're gonna twist to the side, so left shoulder is facing forward, and we're just looking to the right side. So this is on 1, this is on 2. Now, when we do the heel touch, come back to center, hop, and close. Again, with a twist, 7, 8, twist, hold it here, come back, and close. 7, 8, look to the right, look to the right, look to the front, and close. Let's have a look at the arms. Woo! So we swing the arms. We swing it to the right, we swing it to the left, we bring the elbows into the side, and then we have a punch with the elbows up, down. So you can bring your shoulders up to your ears if you want to. You can hinge forward a little bit. It's not really a hinge, it's a punch, so really with power here. And it's very fast, so really, ha, ha, elbows up, boom. Okay, so again, the arms. We swing it to the right, we swing it to the left, bring it in, ha, ha. So we have the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on and 4, I just lift my knee. It's an accent here. I lift my knee, and at the same time, I punch up with the elbows. Boom, ha. Yes. One more time, slowly. So we stopped here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna repeat the steps, but we start with the other side. So it's the right foot which is stepping forward. 1, left, heel, and close. So on and 4, lift the knee. Again, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you're ready, add the twist. Right shoulder forward. Boom, ka, ka. 7, 8. 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. When you're ready, add the arms. So we're swinging them to the left. We're swinging them to the right. Bring the elbows into the sides. Up, down. Same movements, but just to the other side. Okay, let's go. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Both sides from the beginning. Here we go. 7, 8, salsa. 1, 2, 3, ha, ha. To the other side. 3 and 4. Good. A little bit faster. 5, 6. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, ka, ka. And 1, 2, 3, ka, ka. Good. Okay, let's put everything together. So everything from the very beginning. Slowly. Take your time. Don't stress. Whew. So let's jump onto the left leg. 7, 8. 1, 2. Quick, quick, hold. Cross your arms. Open your arms. Lift, lift, lift. Salsa. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. I hope you made it. Let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6. Here we go. And a jump. Jump. Hop, hop, hop. Cross. Open. Switch, switch. Salsa. 1, 2, 3. Ka, ka. And 1, 2, 3. Ka, ka. Let's turn on the music. Let's try. Don't forget to do some freestyle at the beginning. One more 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go from the very beginning. Jump. Switch, switch, switch. Salsa. 1, 2, 3. Ha, ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha, ha. Woo! Good. You know what? Let's do it one more time. Come on, now. Put all your energy in. Take a deep breath. Enjoy the music. Enjoy the dance. Come on, it's your dance party. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Last one. Boom. Ha. Boom. Ha. Switch, switch, salsa. Boom. Ha, ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha, ha. And groove. Woo! I hope you liked the first part of the choreography. Now, if you want to learn the rest of the choreography, then click on the link over here. Remember, the first 7 days are completely free, so there's nothing to worry about it. And you get an exclusive warm-up and technique part, which is super important to do the dance even better. So check it out, it's really worth it.